Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Leo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Bago po lahat, gusto ko po kayong batiin ng maligaya pong Pasko at sa inyo pong mga mahal sa buhay. At nawa po ay maging maligaya itong kaarawan po ng ating Panginoon Jesus. Okay? So, tingnan natin, Leo, kung ano yung mensahe na mababasa natin para sa iyo. We have Phoenix. Okay, so ito yung isang klaseng ibon. The Chaser. Partying. Okay, so ang Phoenix po kasi, Leo, is something to represent, something yung paglaki, a renewal, a growth, no? Paglaki, pagpapalit ng isip. Kung ba parang isang bagong yugto ng iyong buhay. So there is definitely this big change, na malaking pagbabago ang haharapin mo. Now, kung dati there is that fear of abandonment, no, yung takot mo na ikaw iiwan, pababayaan ka na lang. Kaya kung gaba ikaw ay yung kung meron kang ka-relationship, hindi mo to basta-basta nile-let go. You chase, no? Hinahabol-habol mo. You keep on being dependent on this person. Hindi ka basta kung alam mo aalis siya, hinahabol mo. You keep holding on to this relationship. Hindi mo siya ma-let go ng ganong kabilis. And there will be times na when it comes to partying is ito na yung pagkakataon na maybe you need to be more of an independent person, be confident about yourself, and then yung huwag ka matakot. In other words, don't be afraid. If you feel that your person is is leaving you, pabayaan mo lang yon, kasi it means na hindi talaga kayo meant to be. And just enjoy yourself, na you being the Leo that you are, na you are confident, you enjoy yourself, you like to party, you want to be happy, you know? Ikaw yun yun yung personality mo. So just live the way you are, the way you wanted it to be. Huwag kang maging ganito. Huwag itong energy na to na parang hindi ka mabubuhay kung wala yung person na yun. No, this is not kasi kung gaba, if you are chasing, hindi talagang yung personality mo na parang kawawa naman ako, kaya kailangan andito siya sa buhay ko. But you are not that way, Leo. You are not. No? This is exactly the opposite of who you are. Kaya be more of a phoenix, no? Somebody na talagang sigurado, who would accept that challenge, that renewal, that growth, yung paglaki, no? Okay, tignan natin kung ano yung makikita natin sa tarot, yung message para sa'yo, Leo. Ayan, may jumping card, no? We have the moon. Pisces energy. The Eight of Cups. The Eight of Swords. The Ace of Pentacles. And the Eight of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Five of Wands. Okay, Leo. So, this is very sort of, I think, very clear. Five of Wands is may conflict kayo. Nagkaroon kayo ng kaguluhan, disagreement, misunderstanding, argument, no? Pag-aaway, hindi pagkakaintindihan, meron kayong kaguluhan. Now, it is something to do either within yourself, kung bakit nangyari ito, in conflict nang galing either within you or do sa person mo, or it could be nanggaling sa environment, sa labas, kung gaba na-impluwensya ng mga ibang tao na nasa paligid mo. It could be your family, could be your friends, it could be from your co-workers, from your group, tropa, no? Barkada, association, whatever group you have, no? But it could mean either nga doon ang galing yung kaguluhan, either sa sarili mo, sa sarili ng person mo, or sa labas o sa grupo, sa isang grupo o kapamilya. Okay? You know kung ano yung kaguluhan na yun. Okay? Now, with the Temperance, this is an energy coming from a Sagittarius, Leo. You wanted to heal from this kaguluhan. Gusto mong maayos yung sarili mo, no, sa itong naging kaguluhan na pinagdaanan mo. Kasi with the Five of Cups, you felt sorry sa nangyari. No, there is this feeling na sayang. No, sayang talaga yung relationship namin. You have that regret somehow. Because you know, this person is somebody na with the Six of Cups is from your past. Kung ba parang bumalik tong person na to maybe hoping that things will be, you know, maging better. Maayos nyo yung naging kaguluhan nyo before. Kaya bumalik siya, no, to straighten things out with you. Okay? And hopefully, maging matagumpay siya with the Six of Wands. Maging matagumpay siya na maayos nyo muli yung relationship. Okay? Now, yung first card mo kasi dito, Leo, is the Moon. You might be dealing with the Pisces. Ang Moon kasi is, that signifies something that is, kung ba there was a secret, something that is truly unknown, something that's not been said, no? Yung mga ganung bagay, yung kung ba malabo, merong hindi ka naiintindihan o merong nakukubli, natatago. Baka yun yung pinag-ugatan, yung conflict na to, no? Itong kaguluhan na to. Dahil merong mga hindi bagay na nasabi, hindi may mga bagay na itinago o hindi pa inilalabas, something like that. Now, of course, yung challenge natin, ano na bang gagawin ko? What is the most logical thing to do? Kung ganito na may conflict kami, na may kaguluhan, somebody walked away, may umalis. Okay? It could be you or it could be your person. But definitely, somebody who walked away. kung ano ba yung nangyari, kung anong ginawa mo o ginawa niya na dapat nawalan ka na, I think, ng parang hope na magkaroon ng reconciliation. Kaya you close yourself, you close yourself dito sa relationship na to, hoping na maaayos nyo pa, hoping na may chance pa na maayos o magkaroon ulit ng panibagong panibagong pagkakataon para magsama muli. Hindi mo na ginawa yun kasi pakiramdam mo wala na pag-asa. Ay hindi mo makita na magkakaroon ng bagong pag-asa to reconcile. Wherein, ang gusto mo talaga is to have this new beginning. Magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Something that is truly solid. Something that you can see, you could hold, you could touch. Yun yung gusto mo. Magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Hoping na sana nga, kung maayos nyo to, is magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Kaya, habang hindi mo nakikita kasi na mangyayari ito, ang ginawa mo, Leo, is you focus on yourself. You focus on working. Focus on your career, your money. With the 8 of Pentacles, trabaho ka lang ng trabaho. Nag-focus ka sa kaperahan, sa iyong career. It could be you also, and it could be your person. Pareho kayo. Nag-focus kayo sa inyong sarili. Nagtrabaho na lang kayo para hindi mo maisip o maramdaman ito. Yung something that you have lost. You felt that you've lost something. Merong nawala. Napakahalaga. Kasi nga yung, di ba, yung feeling mo na, yung 8 of Swords natin na wala na. Ginapos mo na yung sarili mo. O kung ba, you put a blindfold sa iyong mata. Tinakluban mo na yung mata mo kasi ayaw mo na, sa tingin mo hindi mo na makikita tong possibility na maging kayong muli. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Bakit andito yung moon? Bakit andito yung moon? We have the 9 of Cups, the Ace of Wands, and the 2 of Wands. Something na hindi mo naiintindihan o hindi mo nakikita with the moon. Yes, this is your wish fulfillment, Leo. This person, yung person na nasa isip mo, is your wish fulfillment. Because you felt this new beginning, this new passion, parang may nabuhay sa'yo muli. Something that is being parang kept na parang kung gaba sabihin natin yung apoy maliit na lang. Pero nung nakilala mo tong taong to, talagang nabuhay muli yung apoy na yon. Nabuhay muli. Yung feelings mo na parang wow, hindi ko akalain na mararamdaman ko to ulit sa taong to. And with the 2 of Wands, ngayon dito ka nagulo hindi mo na maintindihan kung anong gagawin mo. As if you are being torn between 2 people or 2 situation na parang you need to make that decision. Saan ba ako pupunta? Doon ba sa tao na to? O dito sa kabila? You need to make that decision. Bakit andito yung 8 of Cups? We have the 8 of Wands, the Knight of Wands, and the 10 of Wands. Somebody walk away. May umalis. Bakit siya umalis? Maybe walang pag-uusap. Kasi itong person na to is in and out. Yung hindi mo mahagilap. Kung gaba, andyan lang pag gusto niya. Pag hindi niya feel makipag-usap sa'yo, wala. Hindi mo mahagilap nga eh. And it is being very burdensome. Napakabigat ng pakiramdam na to. Kung kailan mo kailangan yung tao, tsaka wala. Pag di mo naman hinahanap, nandyan. Diba? Mahirap yun. Kaya kung gaba hindi ka sure, hindi yung the feeling of security or stability, wala eh. Hindi mo nararamdaman. Before you thought, baka ito na nga, but yung pinapakita niya kasi, yung behavior na pinapakita niya sa'yo, hindi ganun. Hindi siya consistent. Hindi consistent. Kaya, you need to walk away. Or somebody walked away. Bakit andito yung 8 of Swords? We have the 5 of Wands. The 7 of Pentacles. And the Fool. Leo, kung bakit parang sinara mo na yung posibilidad na maging kayo muli. Kasi nga, yung conflict, no, yung kaguluhan nyo, hindi mo makita talaga because there was something na talagang nag-cause ng conflict na yon. And you have waited for such a long time para maayos nyo o ma-clear itong bagay na to, na things would change, no? Magkaroon ng pagbabago. Kung gaba something that would trigger to parang mag-turn around, maikot muli, maikot yung pangyayari at magkaroon ng pagbabago na bigla ka na lang o yung person mo na talagang i-approach ka, kakausapin ka para to clear things out, no? Pero I think things are not happening the way you wanted it to be. Kaya sinara mo na yung posibilidad na maayos nyo ito. Bakit andito yung Ace of Pentacles? Bakit andito yung Ace of Pentacles? Oops. We have the Hierophant. We have the Devil. And the Emperor. You were hoping na sana magkaroon ng new beginning. Leo, sana kung maayos nyo, magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Maayos nyo ulit yung inyong pagsasama, yung marriage nyo, if you're married to this person. Ma-clear nyo to. But really, things are not that good kasi toxic nga eh. Toxic yung relationship with the Devil. This is energy from a Taurus. This is an energy coming from a Capricorn. And the Emperor is an energy coming from an Aries. Toxic yung relationship. gusto mo sana magkaroon ng panibagong pag-umpisa, but the relationship, maayos mo yung marriage, but the relationship is toxic, and this person, or this could be you, Leo, take it as it resonates. You have this particular standard kasi mataas ang tingin mo sa sarili mo. Being a Leo, alam mo yung halaga mo, you know your value. At hindi ka basta-basta i-stoop down, no, para maano to kung ba parang ma-clear yung bagay-bagay. Lalo na kasi kung alam mo toxic na yung relationship. Kung ba marami ng naging sugat o scar yung relationship na to. Lalo na kasi, di ba yung pinakita natin dito na may conflict nga kayo. Ito yun di ba? There is such this thing that is really parang nagdala ng sugat sa relationship because of that conflict na nangyari. Bakit andito yung 8 of Pentacles? We have the Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, and the King of Cups. Leo, you are, ngayon kasi kung ba parang dahil nga nakikita mo na wala mangyayari, so you just focusing on yourself, your career, which is good kasi this is self-love. But there will be a message coming in, Leo. Merong magpapadala sa'yo ng mensahe, or you might send a message. Take it as it resonates. A message of love with the Knight of Cups from a water sign, the King of Cups. It could be Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. Or meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. So this, what he's saying is, kung nag-focus ka sa sarili mo, which is good, because you're giving yourself self-love, dun dumadating yung tamang tao. Kasi pinakikita mo na you are not chasing. Hindi ka humahabol. Diba? Pag hindi ka humabol, focus on yourself, love yourself, the right person will come, will send you this message of love. Somebody who truly loves you. Yung totoong mahal na mahal ka nito. Hindi ka lulukohin. Hindi ka sasaktan. Hindi ka tulad ng dati mo. O hindi ka tulad ng ex mo. Okay? Somebody na alam mo talagang this time for real. Totoo na. Okay? Kasi, ano ka hanggang ba parang gumib up ka dito sa portion na to na, no? Wala na. But, it will change. Magkakaroon nga ng magbabago with the Phoenix rising, a new beginning, a new phase. Hindi mo to inisip. Diba? Once you stop chasing, things will be different. Just be yourself, no? Be your authentic Leo self. Things will change. Makikita mo, mababago yan. And you will be more attractive, Leo. More confident. People will see how beautiful you are. Kaya, kung gaba you're attracting this person to come into your life. Yung tamang tao na dumating sa buhay mo. That's how it should be done. Okay? Huwag tayong mag-intay, huwag tayong umasa na babalik pa siya. If it's not worth waiting for, then let it go. hindi siya para sa'yo because there is someone truly meant for you. You just need to love yourself first. Mahalin mo muna yung sarili mo. Yun. Kasi maraming nagko-comment sa akin, kailan kayo dadating, sino siya. Don't wait. It will just come if you know, if you have already prepared yourself for this coming. Paano mo ba piniprepare sarili mo? Focus on yourself. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Kung dati hindi ka ganun ka-conscious sa sarili mo, ngayon maging conscious ka. Pamper yourself. Talagang kung tipong enjoyin mo yung sarili mo, pagandahin mo, make you feel beautiful, look beautiful. Kung di ka nag-exercise before, mag-exercise ka ngayon para you feel sexy, confident, di ba? Gorgeous, maging ganun. Kung dati hindi ka sure kasi yung career mo wala nangyayari, ngayon work, research, go to school, educate yourself more para tumaas ka. Yun yung sinasabi dito. And then the right person will be attracted to you kasi nga na-reach mo tong level na to. Dadating yung tamang tao para sa'yo, hindi itong dati mo. Okay? So, tingnan natin kailan dadating yung right person para kay Leo. Kailan dadating itong right. You see here? No need to hurry. Huwag ka magmadali. It means that you work on yourself first. Huwag ka magmadali. There is no need. A Leo is very confident. Huwag ka magmadali. Ayusin mo muna yung sarili mo. That is what it's telling you. You need to fix yourself first bago mo lahat ito mangyari. Kaya huwag ka magmadali. Kasi it takes time to really, fix yourself. To love yourself. Kasi marami kang prosesong pagdadaanan muna eh. Kailangan mong intindihin muna yung sarili mo. Kailangan kilalanin mo muna yung sarili mo. Kailangan mahalin mo muna yung sarili mo. Okay, Leo? I hope nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka, God bless, and Merry Christmas.